Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here. So today we are starting this look using my Rimmel Stay Matte facial primer. So I'm going to be using that to prime my face, and of course you already know by the title, I just jumped straight into this video. So you already know by the title, I am giving you guys some Christmas makeup look inspirations for Christmas Day, and for your dates on Christmas Day and everything you need to do. Okay, so of course we'll be doing the brows and all that good stuff. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I would appreciate it if you click that red subscribe button and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. You always know when I post all these yummy videos. Okay, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in and always supporting your girl. So I'm doing my brows first. I normally just like speed through the brow process, but then people kept saying that like they want to see me doing the brows and all that for beginners, and I'm like, okay, even though I have so many brow tutorial on my channel, but so I'm going to be using this Pro Conceal to conceal my brows. I have two different shades, and if you are an OG, you already know why. So but if you're not, if you're new, let me tell you why. So I use the lighter part for my brow bone, and then I use the darker shade, not like darker, more like very close to my skin color for the upper shade. So it's easier for you to blend in that way. You don't have to struggle through the blending and trying to blend everything in. So that is what I do, and that is why I do it for me. So yeah, as I am doing this look, I'm going to be telling you guys about my new business that I will be launching soon. So I am launching my BBA hair collection. It will definitely be everything virgin hair, closures, frontals, wigs, bundles, everything you can think of, edge control, parting comb. Of course you guys know I braid, I am a hairstylist, so everything you can think of that hairstylists use practically, for braiders, the braiding glaze and all that. So stay tuned, it is coming soon. So that is why I have not been really consistent on here, because I have been working so hard behind the scene trying to put all this together. So I am going in with my James Charles and Morphe palette. Of course you already know that's my favorite palette. So this is more like a very simple look, like there's nothing too difficult here, there's nothing, it's just a simple fun look. So I'll leave the link down below to my website, so you can click on the link and subscribe to the email list so that you'll be the first to know whenever I launch. You'll get an email. As you can see, with this look, I did not bother going in with any eyeshadow primer or anything, because I just want it to be as, how would I put it, like as simple as possible, Then I'm going in with this eyeliner, this gel liner. I'm going to be lining my eyes with this. And just like I said, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do go ahead and support me by clicking that red subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Ooh, that liner. So you don't miss my next upload. And of course, do go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video if you can, that will help me a lot. Don't forget to share this video and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Tell me what your favorite part of this video is. Then I'm going to be putting on this lash. Ooh. You guys, I ordered a lash from Amazon. I wanted something a little bit dramatic but not too dramatic, and this came. When I first saw it, I was like, hell no, like there's no way I am going to use these lashes, like. But then I used it, and I mean, on the camera it doesn't look too long and all that, but in real it's really long for me. Some people do wear long lashes, but definitely not for me. On the camera I love the look, like it looks so good on camera, but then in real you see it is so long. I was like, man. So I'm using this Pro Conceal to conceal my face. Oh, to highlight my face, sorry, because you need to be popping, you need to glow. Okay, so highlight that face, beat that face, beat the face for the gods. And honestly, I am not understanding the lightning right here. Like, I already know what to do next time, but the lightning wasn't just, I don't know, I can't explain it, but it doesn't just sit right with me. Like, I don't just really like the lightning, but I mean, it looks good, it's fine, but maybe not the best. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. That is what I'll be using. You see that mistake? Don't be like me. Don't make that. Don't do that. I mistakenly used the foundation to clean off my brows. Like, after all that work, you can imagine. Don't be like me. Don't do that. That's why you have to be careful. So you blend and make sure that everything is well blended. Now I am going in with this Airspun setting powder. I'm going to be setting my face with this Airspun setting powder. You can see that the products that I use in this video are also more like drugstore products, simple products that you can just find on Amazon, any beauty supply store. We don't, I mean, I have some high-end products, but whenever I'm doing a makeup tutorial, I always like using the drugstore products so that anybody can find it easily. So we are going to line the lips. Line the lips. Mwah. Okay. You're going to line the lips, and then just making sure everything is aligned properly, and then I am going in with this lipstick. Santa. I wanted to say Santa Red. Oh my god. Keep rubbing it. Rub it. Keep going. Paint the town red. This is what it means when they tell you to paint the town red. Paint the town red. More. I am just so silly. I can't believe I am still going on and on and on with this. Like, when they say paint the town red, you better paint it red. Now that I'm going in with my oh lord, with my powder. What powder is it? Melanie powder. So I'm going to use that to kind of set everything, blending everything. Then I'm going in with this e.l.f. contour palette. I am going to contour my nose with this. You already know that I mainly just contour my nose, so I am going to be contouring my nose with this. Then this is the elf blush palette as well. That is what I'm going to be using, and I love this shade the most because it looks more natural the most, like it's the lightest shade on there. So if you've gotten to this point of this video, thank you so much for watching and doing everything. Yeah, this is my highlighter or bronzer or whatever. So if you've gotten to this point, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've already clicked that red subscribe button and you've turned on your notification bell so you don't miss this upload. I'll be coming with more content and also more business related content, how I starting off my business and everything. Yeah, spray that face with the Smashbox setting spray so that you can set your makeup, and boom girl, you are done. So I am going to be coming in with more content, business related, more beauty content, help taking care of your body and all that. Anything that has to do with beauty, anything that has to do with you looking good, you feeling good, I am going to be coming with all that, and you don't want to miss it. So subscribe and turn on notification. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. Thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you all in my next video. Bye.